blast. Hey, once I'm breathing, all of my family okay. So when you see me jamming inside the party, being happy now is my priority. Cause when this soca hit in my soul, good vibes start to unfold. Nothing taking this feeling from me. So I say life's sweet, I ain't rich, but I'm blessed. So I'm feeling irate, I'm feeling irate. Life's sweet, I ain't rich, but I'm blessed. So I just want party, I just want party. And let me go. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yeah. No time for stress now. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yes. I'm just living my best now. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yeah. The girls don't live, I know. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yeah. Once I got my bottle of Henny, nothing can stress me. A sexy girl to wine on me, nothing can stress me. Don't come with your negativity. Don't just say it's good vibes only. I'm waiting so long so I can be free. So when you see me jamming inside the party, being happy now is my priority. Cause when this soca hit in my soul, good vibes start to unfold. Nothing taking this feeling from me. Tell them again, life's sweet, I ain't rich, but I'm blessed. So I'm feeling irate, yes I'm feeling irate. Life's sweet, I ain't rich, but I'm blessed. So I just want party, yeah I just want party. Hey. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yeah. No time for stress now. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yes. I'm just living my best now. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yeah. The girls don't live, I know. Happy is a happy, is a happy, oh yes. Yeah.
Yeah, he like my vibe. Look in my eyes, he hypnotized. He don't know why. He don't know why. Ay, sell bagay. From wet to bagay, unipo bay. Vinto bay. Ay. Vibes. He said I give him butterflies. I could be your bunny energizer. Energize, yeah, stabilize, yeah. Yeah, I put that on my life. It's only right that you need a reset flores in your life. Cause I'm pretty like a butterfly, yeah. Nobody fly, yeah. He said I'm sweeter than his mama chicken stew. Got a daddy going nuts, cashew. Said he need a baddie and she overdue. Like ay. Yeah, he like my vibe. Look in my eyes, he hypnotized. He don't know why. He don't know why. Ay. Sell bagay. From wet to bagay, unipo bay. Vinto bay. Ay. Mabo TV rockin' and rockin', he stopping nothing, he's stopping to me, a pro at the game, giving the cue and he chucking, put in the work, he be cocking it like it's nada. Put the trigger, make it rain, but he ain't into the drama. But I got nothing to hide, it is you that I've decided. Don't waste my time, I'm singing ay. Yeah, he like my vibe. Look in my eyes, he hypnotized, he don't know why. He don't know why, ay. Sell bagay. From wet to bagay, unipo bay, vinto bay. Ay. Yeah, he like my vibe. Look in my eyes, he hypnotized. He don't know why. He don't know why. Ay. Sell bagay. From wet to bagay, unipo bay, vinto bay. Ay. He don't know why. He like my. Said he don't know why. Ay. Sell bagay. Unipo bay, vinto bay. Ay.
Your pretty self for myself. Don't want to be with nobody else. Pack all my birds like old book on shelf. Girl, all I want is you. Girl, I just want to spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every carnival, every fete we there in it. Spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every carnival, every fete we there in it. All the love I got, girl, is for you, baby. You know that's a fact, girl. It's for you, baby. Even my last name is for you, baby. Ooh, girl, I need you because the last time you caught me flirting and you was hurting, girl, you was hurting. You caught me flirting and you was hurting, but I am certain that I will never do that again. I will never do that again. I will never do that again. No, 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 girl. I want your pretty self for myself. Don't want to be with nobody else. Back all my books like old book on shelf. Girl, all I want is you. Girl, I just want to spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every carnival, every bed we there in it. Spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every carnival, every bed we there in it. I want to take you to my shows, baby. Nobody else, just you alone, baby. Introduce you to my bros, baby. Ooh, girl, I need you because the last time you caught me flirting and you was hurting, girl, you was hurting. You caught me flirting and you was hurting, but I am certain that I will never do that again. I will never do that again. I will never do that again. No. Yo, on your radar. Self for myself. Don't want to be with nobody else. Pack all my books like old book on shelf. Girl, all I want is you. Girl, I just want to spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every carnival, every fete we there in it. Spoil you and get you thick. Take you on a couple trip. Take you every long time I tell you, say you the one I want, baby. You the one I need, baby. You the one I want. Long time I tell you, say you the one I want, baby. You the one I need, baby. You the one I want. You don't know it's your boy Shami J, and you're watching On Your Radar with Dazzle Magazine. Okay, lele.